Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the lesson The Wonder of Grandparents. This is Unit 2 of your reader book. You have to read about relationship. No other relationship is so beautiful like grandparents. First, read the lesson. In emotional importance, the grandparent grandchild bond is second only to the bond between parents and children. Grandparents bring warmth and affection to family life. Grandparents are cheerleaders in life, bestowing on their grandchildren praise and adoration. Besides parents and children, who is in family brings warmth and affection for you children? Of course, grandparents. And they are the cheerleaders of our life. Cheerleaders means you must have seen cricket match. There were some cheerleaders to cheer the team, to praise the team, to encourage the team. And so is the role of our grandparents. Grandparents are cheerleaders of our life and they praise their grandchildren, adore them, encourage them, and support them. They also have the opportunity to share their wisdom and wealth of experience with their grandchildren and to be a guiding light to them as they face life's challenges. The extra attention and nurturing a grandparent provides tells the children that someone cares for and is genuinely interested in what they think or do. And grandchildren can learn everything, have the opportunity to learn with their grandparents' wisdom and wealth of experience because they are very experienced person. Grandparents add a sense of connection to the chain of humanity. It helps to extend life beyond mom, dad, and the child living in their own cubicle. Cubicle means children, a small place which we separate off from a large room. A small room, you can say, which we separate from a large room. That is called cubicle. Cubicle. And one cubicle, you must have heard about it. Cubical, cubicle. That was shape like a cube. So don't mix both cubicle. Both are different thing. What is saying here? It helps to extend life beyond mom, dad, and the child living in their own cubicle. There is a sense of belonging to the human race, a sense of belonging to life, and a sense that there are people out there who love them. Means out of our own cubicle, we have a sense that there are some people who love them, who love us. Grandparents also provide a whole sense of history, identity, and heritage. And they provide us whole sense of history. They give us identity and they give us heritage also. They provide that vital connection with the past where the younger generation has come from. They can tell of changes in medicine, technology, and community. They are of before two generations ago, and they can tell only what changes in medicine from there and till here. What was the medicine till then and now? technology about that time and now, community about that time and now. So they can tell only about the changes in these things. Grandparenting today is certainly different from what is used to be only a generation ago. Family structures have undergone dramatic change, increased occupational mobility, dual income families, rapid technological change, etc. Children need the stability, the time, and the caring of grandparents more than ever. Now, our both the parents are working because it's the modern time where everyone needs money to live happily, and that's why increased occupational mobility among all the people. Dual income families increased, rapid technological change happened. So, in this modern time, children need stability, the time, and who will give that time, that caring, that loving time? Grandparents only. So, children need grandparents more than ever. Grandparents can offer their grandchildren adult companionship in an often calmer, less hectic setting. When the children make companionship with their parents, that was hectic and less calmer. But grandparents and grandchildren's companionship is often calmer and less hectic because they love their grandchildren most of all. When geographically close, grandparents can often be more generous with their time and provide that extra attention that busy families crave for. Crave for means children search for, and if geographically close means if they live together or they live near us, they can be more generous to us, they can give their more time, they can provide extra attention which we search for. They can help to stabilize the family environment. Stabilize means to make stable. They can make our family life stable. Here two words are given: adoration means devotion and hectic means busy. Today's grandparents add another perspective, means viewpoint. Perspective means viewpoint. Today's grandparents add another perspective. They may still provide the milk and cookies and warm hugs and the little extras. But our vision of grandparents has changed. We no longer imagine the old motherly woman in a house dress knitting booties and the grey haired man smoking his pipe in the rocker on the front porch. Rocker means rocking chair. Grandparents today are multidimensional. They are still comparatively young and are doing amazing things. They are vital. Vital means energetic. They are vital, active, intelligent, interesting, with a wealth of information and knowledge. They swim, lift weights, and go camping. Children, today's grandparents have changed. They are not like old persons and smoking pipe or knitting booties. Okay? Comparatively, they feel young. They are doing amazing things nowadays. They are more energetic, more active, more intelligent, interesting. And with their experience, they have more information and knowledge too. Nowadays they can swim, they can lift weights, they can go for camping, they can do exercises and many more things they can do. When children see older persons continuing to live active lives, they see that good stuff comes with aging. Instead of fearing the aging process, they learn how to age gracefully. They do not view the older population as frail, unwell, and scary. And when children see that older persons like their grandparents live active lives, they think that good stuff comes with aging. Aging is not bad thing, and they learn how to age properly with grace. They do not feel aging as frail, unwell, and scary. Likewise, the more the elders interact with children and young people, the less hesitant they seem to be. A lot of elders are scared of teens, but if they sit down with one and get into a dialogue, they see the goodness in them. Similarly, if the youngsters interact with the elders, they find out a lot about their human attributes. It is beneficial to both the young and the old alike to have a relationship with someone at the opposite end of life. And it is very necessary to communicate elders and younger persons. Means elders and youngsters should interact with each other, because it will make their relationship better. These days, more and more grandparents are playing a vital role in the lives of their grandchildren. Millions of elders are discovering the joy of becoming a grandparent. Children are developing a deep sense of belonging to them and are experiencing the security of unconditional love. It's the only relationship, says Dr. Arthur Kornhaber of the Foundation for Grandparenting, in which people are crazy about each other simply because they are breathing. And this grandparent and grandchildren relationship are crazy about each other, and they are necessary for each other as they are breathing. Okay, children, now you understood how important grandparents are in our life and how grandparents play a vital role in the lives of our grandchildren. You saw that the bond between grandparents and grandchildren is amazing. It's a beautiful feeling. So always respect and love your grandparents and get their love forever. Because if you will give respect and love to your grandparents, they will give you unconditional love. Now hope you understood the lesson. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.